Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo sahabat bonsai, salam satu hobi. Oke sahabat bonsai, ya ini ada jenis tanaman sancang ya. Ini kondisinya cukup bagus ya, dia subur ya. Cuman di sini kita mau coba untuk rapikan ya. Akan saya coba rapikan. Di sini rumputnya sangat banyak sekali ya, rumput liar seperti ini. Sebenarnya rumput-rumput seperti ini nggak masalah sahabat bonsai ya. Nah, untuk menjaga kelembapan media ya. Oke, ini mau saya coba untuk ganti media, sekaligus di sini kita cukur ya. Oke.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I'm gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
Oke sahabat saya, untuk hasilnya seperti ini. Jadi ini sudah saya ganti media, terus untuk bentuknya ya juga sudah saya rapikan. Nah, kita main cutting ya. Dan kedepannya kita tahap selanjutnya juga terus main cutting ya. Nah, karena apa, kalau sudah seperti ini kita nggak bisa main kawat ya, kita tinggal merapikan saja. Mungkin nanti 1-2 cabang yang kita kawati ya, yang posisinya kurang pas, untuk arahnya kita lebih kita arahkan lagi. Oke, seperti ini ya. Ini ada 1 cabang yang perlu kita kurangi. Ini sebenarnya udah bagus, cuman kalau menurut saya ini ya, cabang yang ini harus kita buang. Nah, kalau seperti ini tampilannya, kalau menurut saya sih jauh lebih menarik ya. Karena apa, dia dari ujung ketemu ujung ya, jadi udah bagus lah kalau menurut saya ya. Jadi untuk ukuran daripada sancang ini sekitar 20 cm untuk tinggi daripada bonsai sancang ini ya, udah bagus. Kita coba putar untuk sekeliling ya. Untuk depan, tampilan belakang seperti ini ya, dia juga udah enak ya, udah bagus. Nah, mungkin tinggal sedikit saja untuk merapikannya, proses lanjutan ya. Nah, jadi sudah enak ini sahabat saya, sudah siap pajang untuk bonsai sancang yang satu ini ya. Oke, gimana menurut sahabat saya, ada yang tertarik bikin bonsai sancang yang ukuran kecil ya? Nggak harus sancang, jenis lain juga bisa kita bikin seperti ini ya, asalkan kita bersabar ya. Cuman kebanyakan yang dibuat ukuran segini itu rata-rata ya itu dari jenis tanaman sancang. Karena apa, untuk kita program sancang itu prosesnya lebih cepat ya dibanding jenis-jenis yang lain, contohnya kayak serut ya. Nah, oke sama saya, untuk video kali ini kurang lebih ya seperti ini. Mudah-mudahan untuk video kali ini bisa bermanfaat, bisa menginspirasi, khususnya buat sahabat bonsai pecinta jenis tanaman kecil ya. Oke sahabat bonsai, terima kasih untuk sahabat bonsai yang sudah menonton video saya kali ini. Jangan lupa untuk like, share, komen, dan juga subscribe-nya agar sahabat bonsai tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari saya. Oke, terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video saya berikutnya, dan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tetap semangat, terus berkarya, dan salam bonsai mania.